Hello, ICT215 students. I wanted to show you kind of a workaround to inserting images in the background of charts in Google Sheets. There is no easy feature to insert an image into a chart background as there is in Microsoft Excel. So this is kind of one of those things that if you really like Sheets but you don't like this feature of it and you don't like this feature, that's something you kind of have to weigh with what you'll ultimately end up using, or you may do like I do and kind of go back and forth between Excel and Sheets depending on what it is that I want to accomplish. So basically a couple things that you can do here. So here I have a chart and I want to insert an image associated with the chart. And so what you want to do is find an image that is related to your chart data. For my example right here, I'm not going to do that because I just have some images that I'm going to throw in here. So just to show you how to do it. So first thing you have to do, there's an option with Google Sheets to insert, and this is really very new, insert an image in a cell. If I would do that just from one cell selected, it would just insert a tiny little image into that cell area there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of keep it in line with my chart size to the best that I can, and I'm going to just select an area underneath your chart, and then we go up here and we'll do merge all. So what that did is just that entire area I selected, it made it one cell. So now I can go up here to insert excuse me, image in the cell. And then I'm going to just grab a photo from out here. Let's see if I have a better one here. Well, here's some good ones here. I'll insert this one here. That looks to be a good one. We'll see how it works out. A lot of this depends on the sizing and the resizing. So here's the best that they could do for this. So I'm going to just be okay with that, and I am going to see if I can resize this in any way. Yeah, it's just going to move down because of the dimensions and the width and the height of the picture itself. You could play around and resize the picture in the background before you put it in here. That's an option for you to do. But I just want to show you this feature for right now. What I'm going to do is, here, let me just resize this thing up. You could put this right underneath, and that would be fine. So I just wanted to kind of just have an image associated with the chart and be able to do another function of just kind of making your chart stand out a little bit. Again, I mean, this shouldn't be just some random picture. It should be something associated with your data set. So the other option that you could do if you wanted to is that you could actually put this picture behind your chart area, but it's not the most ideal, and you may have to mess with fonts and things like that and stuff not standing out correctly. But I'm going to show you how to do it just so you can decide if that's something you want to do. But for purposes of this project, inserting an image below the chart will be just fine. Okay, but I'm going to show you this other one nonetheless. So here I'm just right clicking. I selected my chart. I'm right clicking, chart style, and then if it's not on the customize tab, if it's on setup, just click on the customize tab. You should see the chart style, some background. You see the background color that's there. I'm going to change that to none, and then close this out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my chart and drag it down over my picture. So here you see, let me see here, this is not, again, this is not ideal, but you get the point. Okay, so there you have an image in the chart itself here. It duplicated that for some reason. Let me see if I can get rid of this one. That may have, yeah, there we go. Okay, so here's what I was talking about. You may have to mess with the fonts and things like that. And so, I mean, you can do that. Let me see if I can just change this around a little bit to make it look a little bit. Yeah, I mean, that's a little bit better there. So that you might have to do some of that stuff if you want to go this route. But like I said, for this project, you can insert the image underneath. If you want to mess around with this feature, it does take away from some of your chart aspects. Here I might have to mess with this over here as well, the color, because I can see some of my data is gone there. Yeah, so there you go. I mean, you can do some of this stuff. You can resize that stuff, and to do that, you just have to double click in that area where the data is. So you'll see that it's now selected, and you can make changes over here. You can bold it. You can change the font style. So if you want something to stand out a little bit more there, that stands out a bit more. You can mess with the colors and that kind of stuff. But that's an option. Again, that's another option for you to have the image actually as a part of your chart. Well, it's not really. It kind of is. It appears to be. Okay, that's enough rambling. Let me know if you have any questions, or if you want to jump on his Google Meet to kind of go over some of this stuff. All right, have a good day. Bye.